You used to be everywhere. In the song that play on the radio, in the sunlight spring through the coffee shop window, even in the quiet of an afternoon, when the world felt heavy. For the longest time, there was no escaping you. Every corner, every sound, every detail, all of it pulled me back to the memory of us. But something changed. Yesterday, I walked past our old spot, and it was just a place. No spark, no shadow, just pavement and walls. I heard our song, the one we used to play on repeat, and I let it play. It did not break me. It did not move me. It was just music. And when your name slipped into conversation, I did not flinch. I did not force a smile to cover the sting, because there was no sting, not anymore. The truth is, I don't stay awake replying the word I never said. The silent doesn't ache the way it used to. Now, silent is just silence. And you are no longer the center of my universe. You are simply a shooting star who came and went. A flash in the sky, brilliant, but brief, gone. You are just part of a chapter I've already turned. I once thought letting go would be impossible, but here I am, standing in my own story, watching the credit roll on that scenes, and realizing I already have